Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Before I start this video, I just want to make you all aware of our trading signal group that we have here at Daily Market Movements. If you would like to receive signals from myself and the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so by purchasing our package on our website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below. So, in front of me is the gold futures chart, and as you can see today, we have had a very negative day. We are trading down 4%. You know, the volatile markets are still present and very dangerous, and I'm sure a lot of retail traders this week would have got wiped out, would have wiped their accounts out. So if you are watching this video, I do advise that you trade with very small lots or trade under someone who is experienced in market conditions like these. As you can see today, we have fallen from that 1640 level. I did say yesterday that there is a little bit of support which we have found in previous sessions at that 1640 level. However, it did not hold, and as you can see, we shot straight down to the 1600 level where the 50-day EMA is, and it looks like we've broken below there, and we come into contact with the uptrend that we've been in since June 2019. If I just zoom in, you can see we had a perfect bounce off that uptrend, and we're now trading in between the bottom of the uptrend and the 50-day EMA at the 1576 level. Where do we go from here? Well, it all depends whether this uptrend can hold gold. I think it will. A lot of you are probably sitting at home right now thinking, why is gold falling when the world is such a mess? I personally believe that it's due to the banking cartel just pushing gold down, trying to not make sense of the financial markets. However, they cannot push it down forever, and I still do believe that gold will rebound from this. I just see this as great value, and I'm jumping all over this. I said this in yesterday's video. If we do get to that 1600 level, I would be jumping all over it, and I've placed some trades here, and I've placed some trades at the bottom of the uptrend. So where do we go from here? Well, hopefully we will see a bounce in tomorrow's session or later on next week, and then that should hopefully push us back above the 1600 level. So it's kind of like a similar situation to what we had 2 weeks ago when we had that massive sell-off on Friday, and I did say in the video there that this was a gift from God and we can find value here, and as you can see, we did rally all the way to the 1700 level. So I'm hoping it will be a similar situation here. So as I mentioned just a minute ago, I've placed some buys here at 1600 level, and I've placed them here at the bottom of the uptrend. So hopefully in the next couple of sessions we do see a bounce back above that 1600 level. Once we're back above the 1600 level, it's very simple. I think we go straight to 1650, and then if we can break above the 1640 to 1650 resistance, then I think we simply go and test for 1700 level. The world, quite frankly, right now is an absolute mess due to the coronavirus, and I don't see it getting solved anytime soon. So companies will struggle. Money is falling out of the stock market. And I just think a lot of this as well is just profit taking. You know, gold has had such a good year, and I just think investors are just a bit spooked right now with the stock market plummeting over 20% in the past 2 weeks, which is just phenomenal. You know, like today with European indices, we had the worst day ever recorded in the stock market with some of the indices down 11%. You know, I saw the CAC was down 13% at one point, which is just, you know, I've never seen anything like it in my whole time of trading. In terms of the RSI though, we are in the middle, so we could run lower, we could run higher. Now if we do get the opposite and we break to a downside and we do manage to clear this the bottom of this uptrend, then we go straight to a 200-day EMA. If we can break below the 200-day EMA, well then it's a very bearish signal for gold, and then quite frankly I think we go to straight to the 1300 level. That will then become my long-term target, with my short-term target being the 1400 level. However, as I mentioned before, I'm still bullish long-term and short-term in gold. You know, at the end of the day, the gold is one of the most known safe havens, and at a time of crisis as we are seeing right now, I still do think buyers will step back into the market and correct it if we do drop below and test a 200-day EMA. So all in all, I'm still bullish on gold long term and short term. Look for the bottom of this uptrend to offer some support, and also look to pick up value here right now, because this is a gift in my eyes, that trading back at that 1576 level. If you'd have asked me 2 weeks ago, I would have told you when we're trading back at the 1700 level that it would be a long while until we saw the 15 earlier on today, the 1560 level. So all in all, I'm still bullish, and look for a pullback next week to trade back above that 1600 level.